मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकती थी, पर अगर मैंने कुछ गलती से बोल दिया तो माफ़ कीजिए. It's not easy for actors to get roles like this because एक भगवान, एक गॉडेस को प्ले करने के लिए इतना एक easy काम नहीं होता है. एक टीम होनी चाहिए who's putting their heart and soul into making it the best version of what they can present to the world, because it becomes itihas, it becomes history for the rest of the world to think or go back to in the future. So ऐसे एक project में मुझे चुनने के लिए thank you so much. And when it comes to playing Sita Ma, I don't think I chose the role. I think I was blessed to play this role because it's not something that you can go after. And it is not something that you can write down on a piece of paper and say, this is how I'm going to play. I would just sit and meditate and say, Sita Ma, you act through me. Whatever comes through me is what you want for the film. And I was always keeping myself as pure as possible, at least in my thoughts, to keep it very neutral so that I have the best version of me presenting there. And उस कोशिश में मुझे लगा कि मैं बहुत कुछ सीख लिया. ठीक लगा.
Going good.
Thank you. I think from what we saw right now, and today is a very important day for all of us because I've worked on the film for maybe 3 years, but they've all been on the project for more than
almost 10 years.
10 years now. So is then बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है हम सब के लिए. So I'm as excited and as humbled, and I think it's a very important day for all of us. Thank you so much for sharing this day with us. And finally, I would